bathed in the golden glow of sunset. The new Tesla Roadster exudes elegance and futuristic aggression. With its sculpted rear and aerodynamic lines, this Hyper-EV redefines what it means to merge power with art. The dual exhaust diffuser adds a visual punch, while the seamless taillight bar blends beauty with innovation. And from urban streets to open roads, this machine dominates the skyline. Its commanding presence is highlighted by its low stance and dynamic curves. Notice the subtle refinement in its bodywork. Every panel serves a purpose, pushing air with surgical precision. The piercing LED matrix headlights lead the charge. Tesla's minimalist design is pushed to the extreme. No grille, no clutter, just pure aerodynamic aggression. A face that announces it belongs to the future. The iconic Gullwing doors swing open like the wings of a predator. And this is more than just entrance, it's a statement. The cabin awaits with bespoke craftsmanship in a cockpit. Built around the driver, step inside, and you're met with next-gen minimalism. The sweeping 17-inch central touchscreen controls everything from navigation to performance telemetry. The digital instrument cluster responds in real time, making this feel more spaceship than sports car. Luxury continues in the rear. Dual sport bucket seats wrapped in premium leather with red accent stitching show that Tesla didn't compromise comfort for speed. Ambient lighting and real wood trim bring sophistication to this electric beast. Under the hood lies Tesla's revolutionary tri-motor system, delivering over 100 horsepower. It launches from 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds. This isn't just electric power, it's electrifying domination. Viewed from above, the flowing silhouette is unmistakably Tesla. Clean, sleek, and relentlessly modern. Blend of tech and beauty, sculpted for those who demand the future now. This isn't just the next Tesla. This is the Tesla that rewrites every rule. The road is no longer the limit, it's the starting line.
Thanks for watching.